What's the meaning of cool-headed? Cool-headed. Cool-headed.
Cool-headed. Cool-headed. The term cool-headed refers to a person who remains calm and level-headed in difficult or stressful situations. This individual is able to maintain their composure and make rational decisions, without becoming overly emotional or reactive. Being cool-headed is often seen as a valuable trait, particularly in leadership or high-pressure jobs. People who possess this quality are respected for their ability to handle challenging situations with grace and poise, and their calm demeanor can have a positive impact on those around them. Ultimately, being cool-headed allows individuals to navigate life's challenges in a more effective and productive manner.